Folks, Brian here at Dive Source. We're just doing a quick little feature on a new light that we're carrying at the store. This is the NR1000 from Kraken Sports. Kraken Sports is a division of iTorch, who you know we've been selling for quite some time and really happy with. This is their new NR1000 light. It is a rechargeable light. So it comes with a rechargeable battery. It's an all aluminum body, extremely well made and machined. Attachment points. The light itself is a 1000 lumen light, or pardon me, 800 lumen light. Some people call them 1000 lumen lights, but they've actually been honest and say it's an 800 lumen light. It has 3 modes, high, medium, low, 90-minute burn time on high. It also has modes for a flashing mode. It does SOS, a single strobe mode, and a rapid strobe mode. Incredibly compact, all aluminum body, rechargeable, spare O-rings, and a case to keep it in. Kind of hard to beat for the price. Our special price on it is $199, including the spare battery. We're going to hold that for the next month or so, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.